Okay, so for this week, it's a little unusual with only having one 8A. So for 8A, we're a little ahead on 8A and a little behind at the same time. We're going to begin reviewing dashes. We started reviewing commas on Friday. B-Day has yet to review commas. There's a video here that's posted on Canvas. So B-Day on Thursday is going to watch this video and work on IXL section HH1. But on the 1-8A that we have this week, we're going to be looking at dashes. And that deals with JJ1. Now I've included a video that goes through and explains how dashes are used. With this dash review, there is an ACT quiz. It's just a short little quiz that I'm going to have you take after you have completed some IXL sections. For B-Day, this will be taking place on Friday. Okay. The next thing we are going to be doing, 8A is going to start working on counterclaim paragraphs on Wednesday, and B-Day will be working on it Thursday. This counterclaim paragraph is due Monday. Now that doesn't give you a ton of class time to complete. However, your counterclaim is not that long. And let me pull this up so it's a little bigger. Your counterclaim paragraph is made up of a transition and a topic. However, some people argue Bigfoot is not real because there's no hard evidence that supports he's real. And then your background information. What are we talking about and why? And then your counterclaim. While there's no hard evidence that Bigfoot exists, many people have seen Bigfoot, and then you give it evidence. Find a quote from someone who has seen Bigfoot, and then you explain that evidence. What does it show? And then restate your topic. Bigfoot exists because he has been sighted. Okay. Now on Canvas, this assignment is submitted just like the previous paragraph. But for your counterclaim, there's one thing that's a little different. Let me pull that up. If you look at your rubric on the counterclaim, it asks you on mechanics and style to show understanding of grade level writing by including one of the following punctuation marks: a semicolon, dash, colon, or parentheses. Now we've been using parentheses and colons and semicolons and now dashes in IXL and in ACT practice, but now I want you to include it in your writing. So you need to include one of those. And for this week, we are also going to be finishing up The Most Dangerous Game. I am planning on finishing it Wednesday for 8A. I don't know if that will happen. If not, 8A will be finishing it up and taking the quiz on Monday. And that Monday is, let's see, what day is that Monday? Monday the 22nd. Okay. B-Day will most likely take the quiz on Friday. You finish that up. So other than the counterclaim, you have your IXL sections that will be due this Friday as well. And that's all for this week. Now on Friday for B-Day, if we have enough time, we have a few things taking place. For instance, there might be a hallway assembly type thing going on. This week they might interrupt. So if we have time, I'm not planning on it, but if we do have time, I would like to start getting into Shakespeare and Macbeth, and we'll just go over a brief history of Shakespeare and Macbeth on Friday if we have time. But other than that, that's it for this week. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Make sure you guys are staying caught up. Thank you.